Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Suresh, an English professor. Learning English has been very challenging for some of us. Well, there may be so many reasons behind that, but today the process has been made very simple because we got so many resources available. For example, we got internet, we got applications, we got games and other activities to learn and master the language. Today in this video, we're going to talk about one specific tool, that is online dictionaries. There are so many dictionaries available like Cambridge, Oxford, Merriam-Webster's dictionary, etc. But we're going to talk about Oxford Online Dictionary, which I personally feel that it's more effective to learn the language, because we're not only going to learn just words, we're going to learn phrases and sentences, and most importantly, we're going to learn the pronunciation of that specific word. American English pronunciation as well as British English pronunciation. You get so many phrases using the specific word. I'm sure that I found almost more than 10 sentences for every word. You can just go ahead and read all those sentences, and that will get stored in your memory. So whenever you are going to use that specific word, I'm sure that you'll be able to use it effectively. And the best thing is that you can go ahead and access this online dictionary for free. You don't have to pay anything. Of course, there are paid versions available, but we're only going to use the free versions. That's more than enough for beginners. And the good news is that you can also use the same dictionary in your cell phone as well. But since it is a paid version, if you would like to get an app from a Play Store, then it's going to cost you money. But if you're not afford to buy the dictionary, what you can do, you can even make the dictionary available in your home screen as well. There is an option which I will walk you through how to access that and add that home screen logo into your cell phone. The home screen, it just works exactly the same way like how you open the app and then you just access it. The only difference between an app and this home screen button is you have to be online in order to access this dictionary. But with the app, you don't need to be online. Once you download it, you can just use it anytime you want. But we're going to talk only about this free version. Let me just walk you through the process of how to access the dictionary on your PC or in your laptop. Just open any web browser, preferably like Google Chrome. Just type in www.oxfordlearnersdictionary.com. Great, you just got this homepage. Now you see today's 22nd April 2020. This is the word of the day, so meow. This is the pronunciation for British English. And this one's for pronunciation for American English. So this is the search bar, and about that you have some other options like dictionary, American English dictionary, academic dictionary, collocations, a German to English dictionary, and then you got some grammar part, grammar home, practice English, usage, word list, like you can just put any type into any category like my word list, word list home, something like that. Other resources like text checker and resources home as well. But the primary part we're concerned about is this part. You just go ahead and type in any word. So I just typed in the word attitude, and you get this word attitude. Excuse me. And then you will just right next to the word, you'll find the type of word. And then right below, this is the B1 level, let me just show that to you. This is the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. You have this A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 level. There are 6 levels your proficiency level. This is an international body that governs and assesses and gives you a frame that your level is A1 or A2 or C1 or C2, depending upon your exhibition in any test, English related exams. Like A is the beginner's level, A1 is the beginner's level, C2 is the highest level. So this is what this vocabulary difficulty level. This is the very basic words, little higher level, higher level, higher level. This is a little more higher level. This is the end level. This is the extreme level of proficiency. That's the mastery level. And that's how, and that's what this B2 means. So every word you type in, that will tell you what type of category that specific word belongs to. And just right next to it, we will have Opal, like Oxford Phrasal Academic Lexicon. You can just go ahead and scroll down through to go to any word like enhance, or you can go ahead and download these word list as well. You got 4 downloads here: written single words, spoken single words, written phrases, spoken phrases. Let's just go ahead and click on spoken phrases. You have this list of words, phrases that you can put in your communication skills when you speak. This will be helpful for you. You can just save it in your laptop or PC. You can access it anytime you want, even in offline. But when you access this dictionary, you have to make sure that you have internet connection to access this dictionary. And this Opal S also mean the same. You'll have the same word categories, and just right below that you got this pronunciation of this word. This is the blue one. The blue symbol is for British English, and the red symbol is for American English. You got some idioms, you got the definition of the word. It's accountable now, the way that you think and feel about somebody, something. The way that you behave towards somebody, something that shows how you think and feel. So that's the definition. You got so many example sentences. If you just go through all these sentences, that is definitely going to get stored in your memory. So whenever there is a need comes, your brain will automatically arranges some words depending upon the context as to what to speak, and then that will just give you the sentence out of your mouth. You can just use that sentence and be a good communicator. Like attitude towards somebody or something. These societies have to change their attitude towards women. The government's attitude towards single parent. Youth is simply an attitude of mind. So you got these examples you can just go through. You also get a lot of ideas as to how it would be. And you will get more exposure into it as well. You have this word finder, probably like the thesaurus, words related to that: approach, attitude, behavior, confirm, eccentric, etiquette, habit, manners, morality. So these are the words related to this attitude. You just go ahead and click on any word. It will take you to the next page explaining or giving details about that particular word like this. Starting from here, like pronunciation, American pronunciation, definition, example sentences, some extra example sentence. You got so many sentences that'll definitely give you a great exposure. Or going back to the same word, you have some Oxford collocation dictionary, words that is used, some other category like as an adjective, verb, attitude plus verb, some other examples like this is just another definition for the word. Give me any attitude, don't give me any attitude. Another phrase, and then you have the other definition, a position of the body, and an attitude or something. Like when you go dance, they will expect you to have your body's attitude, something to be appropriate depending upon the context. That they say attitude, like if they want you to be happy kind of a body position, then you have to change the attitude into happy note. And then if something to do with very um, like scary kind of body expression, that's what they mean, attitude. And then you scroll down, you got some idioms using the word in an idiom. We know that idioms are phrases that do not have direct meaning. Hidden, we just have to learn and then use it as it is. Like strike a pose or strike an attitude means to hold your body in a particular way to create a particular impression and to strike a dramatic pose. That's how it is, and it's going to be very easy for you. You can just start learning it. There's something like redeem a grade. This is if you get any coupon code to have this dictionary, bought for yourself. We don't need that. Upgrade to the premium level. You got help. If you would like to get any help pertaining to this dictionary, you can just go ahead and hit this button to get some help. Sign in is for somebody who has just already purchased this dictionary, the premium version, and then they can just go ahead and put in and then log in to access everything. But you do not have an option to sign up, only sign in. The one only who's got an account already. That's for them. For basic learners, and this will do. This is more than enough. Any word you type in, you get it. As it is as simple as that. So let me just walk you through how to use this same dictionary in your cell phone. Alright, this is the phone version. If you have an Android or an Apple phone, just go ahead and open any browser. In the address bar, you just go ahead and www.oxfordlearnersdictionary.com, and that's it. You got this homepage like meow, meow, and everything that we saw in the desktop version. You just go ahead and this is the search bar. Go ahead and any word, type in any word. So boom, you got this here. Excuse me, the same. You got attitude, attitude, and example sentences. Word finder, extra example. Like you get everything here. Just go ahead and access it. The same, whatever we saw in the desktop version. Okay? And the best thing is that you do not have a free app from any Play Store or App Store. If you want to buy a dictionary app, you have to pay money. It's somewhere close to 1,500 and over. I'm not sure, but it costs a lot of money. But those who was not afford to buy this dictionary app, I have a great idea for them. I have the best idea for you. What you can do is you can just go ahead and hit here. You see this part here? You just go ahead and click on that. Here you have the second option, add to home screen. You click on that. It will ask you to add that home screen. Click on add. This is the add button. Click on add. That will be added. Yeah, that's it. This is it. This is the dictionary, just like the app. I already got the Merriam-Webster's dictionary app downloaded from the App Store. It's exactly the same. You just go ahead and click on that. That's it. You got everything the same. Just go ahead and close everything. You just open this dictionary. You got that. So you can just go ahead and use it anytime you want. That's it. Any word you type in. So you can get the pronunciation, definition, meaning, the A1 level. This word is A1 level. You can download the same like what we saw in the desktop version. You have the pronunciation. That's it, it's an easy way, just like the app. There is no change at all. But the only difference is that if you buy an app, you may use it offline. But in order to update, you have to be online. But here, you just have to be online all the time, or whenever you would like to access this dictionary. So you just go ahead and hit that, open it. That's it. Go ahead and type in the word, get the meaning, get example sentences, get the pronunciation of the word. That's it. You got it. It's all in your hand. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure you're going to make use of this tool to develop your communication skills. If you have anything to suggest or give any feedback, kindly post it in the comment box below. And thanks for watching this video. You have a great day.